Hey everybody, this week we spent a few days working on a feature a ton of you have been asking for, and here it is. So now when you have your AI agent, you've always been able to switch between providers, but we added a few enhancements. One, there are more providers to pick from. So there's always been OpenAI, and then you can select the 4 models that we provide, and we give you platform credits to use. You've always been able to use your own API key. And if you don't have one connected yet, you can click the plus, find it, and then add your API key in. Really easy. Once you select your API key, the models available to you will now be all of the models that are available through your API key. Super nice. Now the other thing, Anthropic, same thing. Gemini, same thing. We have Together AI now. This one we don't provide platform credits for, so you have to have your own API key. Once you've connected it, it'll load all your available models. So now you get access to a ton of models. Unfortunately, we don't have a way to know if the model supports a vision, if it supports tools, if it supports streaming. So by default, we don't stream these because things just break if we try to stream things that don't support streaming. We don't show you a warning if there's no tool support. So if you try to use a tool with a model that doesn't support it, you'll just see an error in the message. It's like there'll be a server message that'll say this doesn't support function calling or something like that. So you'll have to figure out and determine which model works for what you need. That's the only issue with using any model, right? And then you can use Perplexity. So same thing, there's a Sonar Pro and Sonar. We're not supporting the legacy ones that are going to be deprecated soon. And same with this one, you have to have an API key, and then you can go ahead and use the model. And Perplexity is cool because it comes built in with internet search, so you don't have to use one of our web extract search tools. And then we added DeepSeek, which has been huge. So we have DeepSeek Chat and DeepSeek Reasoner, the thinker. Same with this one, you have to put in your own DeepSeek API key. And right now we don't stream like the thinking process of the Reasoner. So it'll just load, and if you give it a really complex task, it can take minutes. But DeepSeek is awesome. It's way cheaper than O1, which a lot of people have been enjoying. And then since I'm serving this locally, I also have support to Ollama. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. Now let me jump over to the workflows. Let me create a new workflow. And not only did we make it so your agent can use more models, we also added a few more tools. So you'll see that there's a DeepSeek chat now that you can use as part of your workflow. You can use actually we've already had Perplexity. You can use Together. So Together AI, and you can select your connection, it'll load your models, and you can use it just like a normal chat step, and then the output can be given to another step. We've also updated, if you go to our AI, pre-built AI steps, so if I do like this custom prompt one, you select your provider, and let's like select Together. You put your API key in, and it's going to load all the models. So now our pre-built AI steps can use any of those providers that the agents can use. It'll use your API key and potentially lets you use hundreds of different models to perform the tasks you need. If you need any providers, like if you're using Mistral or like Grok or X or any of the different providers, let us know. Adding them is so easy now. Thank you.